In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an IHOP gift card. By the end, you'll feel confident purchasing either a digital e-gift or a physical card, and you'll know exactly what to look for so everything goes smoothly. First, open the official IHOP gift card page or a trusted retailer that clearly lists IHOP gift cards. Use a secure connection and look for the lock icon in your browser's address bar to confirm you're on a legitimate site before moving forward. Next, choose the amount you want on the gift card. Many stores offer preset amounts and sometimes a custom option. Think about how the recipient might use it: breakfast for one, a family meal, or multiple visits, so the amount feels thoughtful and practical. Now decide between an e-gift card or a physical gift card. An e-gift is delivered to an email inbox, typically the fastest option and great for last-minute gifting. A physical card is mailed to a street address and is perfect if you want something tangible to hand over. Just allow extra time for shipping. Enter the recipient's name and the appropriate contact information. For an e-gift, carefully type the correct email address. For a physical card, enter the full mailing address, including apartment or unit numbers. Double-check spellings to avoid delays or missed delivery. If you're buying it for yourself, you can send it to your own email or address and then gift it later. Add a personal message if the site offers that option. A short note like, "Enjoy breakfast on me," adds a nice touch without being too long. Once everything looks good, add the gift card to your cart. You'll usually see a mini summary confirming the amount and delivery type. Proceed to checkout and enter your payment details. Fill in your card information or accepted payment method on the secure payment page. Make sure your billing address matches what your bank has on file to prevent declines. If you're on public Wi-Fi, consider waiting until you're on a private network for added security. Before you place the order, review all details: the amount, e-gift or physical selection, recipient information, delivery email or mailing address, any message, and the total price, including taxes or shipping if applicable. It's much easier to correct issues now than after purchase. Click Buy, Checkout, or Place Order to finalize. You should see an on-screen confirmation once the payment goes through. Finally, wait for the confirmation email or delivery. For an e-gift, the recipient should receive the card by email along with redemption instructions. For a physical card, watch for shipping updates if they're provided. If you don't see a confirmation within the stated time frame, check your spam folder and then contact the retailer's support for assistance.